If you were getting an important spinal surgery that utilizes technology that on average misses 38% of breaches and could lead to a costly revision surgery and pain, would you go through with it? Me neither. To give a little background, spinal fusion surgery is not an easy task. It requires a very skilled surgeon to drill multiple holes into a patient's spine to create a pilot hole. On top of that, they have to feel around manually to see if that hole is intact or compromised, which lacks any real-time feedback. This is what today's gold standard, known as the pedicle feeler, offers to patients, and as you can see, it's not very much. We've designed a pedicle feeler that does offer real-time feedback, so surgeons never have to second-guess again. A sensor in our device evaluates bone integrity and provides a visual indication in the form of LEDs. When the surgeon sees that red flashing light, they know they've hit a crack, and they can proceed with preventative measures to ensure that that screw won't loosen over time. This leads to less time, cost, and complications for all parties involved. Now that you better understand the problem that surgeons face and how we plan to solve it, let's put that into financials for you. Approximately 10% of the 5 million pedicle screws inserted into patients receiving spinal fusion surgery will damage the bone at insertion location or be placed in weak bone. If required, these revision surgeries are priced up to $23,000 per surgery. Knowing the bone integrity before insertion could prevent $2 billion in revision surgeries worldwide each year. Surgeon feedback is an important component of our product development strategy. The surgeons involved in our development will help publish our clinical outcomes. When the surgeons can guarantee better patient outcomes using our device, they will be demanding IntegreGuard's pedicle feeler gauge to be in the operating room with them. Our market channel will be distributors of surgical products. If 5,000 hospitals purchase our product at $8,000 with a repeat purchase every 3 years, this is a $40 million market size with a profit margin of 75%. We project first-year sales to be $1 million. We are asking for $150,000 in exchange for 10% equity to complete prototyping development, animal studies, and to begin the process for FDA approval, which will require a 510(k). So why invest in us? We are a team of 6 biomedical engineers who are driven in the commitment to improving the quality of life of patients. An investment in our innovative device is an investment in better patient outcomes. For the patients and surgeons of spinal fusion surgery, we've got your back. Thank you.
Questions?
So if I stroked you a check right now for $150,000 and you failed to get FDA approval, what's the pivot plan?
Yeah. If we fail to get FDA approval,
you know what? It sounds like they won't. He doesn't have experience with that, so it's a great question, but something you should consider.
No,
Let's take another one.
I mean, I don't see why we would fail with the FDA approval, but
isn't the average like 7 years?
Sorry.
Really, the answer would be do look into other places where you would be able, or maybe would be able. If it really fails because it doesn't work, then it will fail everywhere.
Right, that's because we have a working prototype, so I don't see why it would fail. So, yeah.
How many surgeons have you shown this to?
So far, we've shown this to our surgeon and mentor at Rutgers, and he's a world-renowned spinal surgeon, and he likes the idea a lot because he addressed this problem to us, and he says if we solve this problem, it would really help in the surgery room because realistically, all they have right now is just a metal probe, and they're not even looking, and they just feel around, and they really see if they're guessing if the hole is intact, and they miss 38% of the times, and it costs the insurance companies and hospitals a lot of money to repair this. And we offer a device that will answer this.
Can you talk about the selling model, the proposition? Who are you going to sell it with? Because I didn't hear you talking about reimbursement.
Right, so our market channel will be distributors of the surgical products. So that's who we are going to be working with. And also another selling point is the insurance companies. Because at the end of the day, they're going to be the ones that have to deal with anything that goes wrong with the hospitals and the doctors. So if we pitch to them and tell them that, listen, like we're saving you, it's $23,000 per surgery. It's a $2 billion in revision surgery it's costing you. We can wipe that all away.
Good job. Thank you very much.